You are about to witness the last passes Space Ghost will ever make naturally aspirated. We headed to the track 1 week ago to see if we could not beat our previous best of 753 before we swapped over and put the supercharger on. But just know the VMP is already on the car. She's running great. We've been to the track. That video will be coming up next week for you guys. So kick back, enjoy the video, and I'll talk to you guys after the races. Here we are at Cottonwood, guys. This speaker is playing a bunch of copyrighted music. So we got Berger, Papa T, the wife, the kids. No 65 tonight. Papa T didn't bring the gray ghost, although he did get seat belts in it. Yes, it was too hot. So we'll be up there in just a few minutes and we'll let you guys know what we do. that's it. That was our last naturally aspirated pass you will ever see on Space Ghost. Man, it was a hell of a ride. I enjoyed it. We went from bone stock to a 93 tune, then to a converter, then E85 long tube, Steeda stop the hop, drag radials, all this stuff, and we progressed through. Our first pass ever on that car was an 820 something or 830, and we went all the way from 830 down to a 753. Wow, guys, that is impressive. I'm not gonna lie to you. That's impressive numbers for basically a stock car with just a tune and some bolt-on stuff. Now, here was the deal. We took this car back to the track this last time to try to best our old time, which was a 753. It didn't work out. It was really hot. There was a lot going on that day. The DA was high. Excuses, right? Here's what I think actually hurt the car worse, though. The fact that I put that Flowmaster back on the car, I'm pretty sure is what got us. So previously, it just had an X pipe going into the active mufflers, but it was really loud. I didn't like the way it sounded, so I took a Flowmaster muffler, cut it, put it in there, and it sounds really good. I loved it, but that killed us at the track. The best pass we could get was a 757. I think there was a bunch of like 760, 770 passes in there this last go around. So guys, if you want to quieten your car down, you want it to sound really cool, sure, you know, put you a muffler in the center where your resonator used to be. But just know it's probably going to hurt your performance if you still have your active exhaust on there. More than likely, you could probably put a MagnaFlow or Borla or something like that in the center and make it flow a little better. Moving on. We now have the VMP Gen 6 3.0 on the car. We've already taken this thing to the track. We've already street raced it. We've already raced it at the track. This thing's an animal for sure. So stay tuned for those videos. I will go ahead and show you a short clip of the car at the track. I'll put them side by side, NA to boost, let you guys kind of see the difference. We got a lot more coming for this car. We've got a different pulley that'll be here, I think, tomorrow. We're going to tune it for E85. We're going to put pumps in it and do all that stuff at some point, right? A drag pack. But right now, our main concern is to get the Calypso up to speed with the 21. It's going to need nitrous, no doubt. We have the nitrous kit already. It's on the 65. We're going to take it off. We're going to put it on the Calypso. We're going to try these things out. We're going to see which one is truly the fastest. Now, I've already been working on the Calypso, doing some of the things that we said we were going to do. Remember, we're going to do shorter A-arms so the wheels don't rub on the fender wells whenever it's lowered. We did a Unisteer 20-to-1 steering rack, a manual rack. That's on already. We got to go get the car lined up, and we got to do our Terminator X carburetor. We're switching over to E85 on the Calypso. We got to go get it lined up. Like, we got some things that we need to do, right, to get the Calypso up to speed. Once it is, though, I think it's going to be a shootout. Let me talk to you guys for a second before we end this video, okay? Something that kind of bothers me a little bit on this channel. So I think a lot of people just assume that we're converting over to Coyote on the channel. That's not the case. So all that stuff will be coming up here pretty soon. Just give me a little bit of time, all right? Let's not get too caught up in fussing and fighting too much, because it takes away from what we're trying to do, okay? Remember, guys, Ford Takeover's coming up next month in September. I'd love to see you guys there. We're going to have the Calypso, hopefully have Berger's car if we can get it done. And I just want to hang out with you guys, get a chance to meet everyone. So we'll see you guys there. For now, though, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. And as always, thanks for watching.